Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is number system. Now, number are the combination of digits. Here this is a number and each individual numbers are called digit, or the smallest part of number. 5 is a digit, 8 is a digit, 2 is a digit. Okay. Now, number system are classified into two ways. One is Indian number system and second one is international number system. Let us look at the Indian number system. In Indian number system, there are 4 periods. First period is of ones, then thousands, then lakhs and crores. In ones, there are ones, tens, hundreds, this place value. In thousands, there are thousands and 10,000s place value. In lakhs, there are lakhs and 10 lakhs place value. And in crores, there are crores and 10 crores place value. So, if we try to write this according to Indian number system, this number, you have to write from the rightmost digit, that is 3. And from right to left, you have to continue. So, it is first 3, then 5, then 2. Next 0, 8, 7 and 5. Okay. So, after putting the number, what we are getting, this is equals to 57 lakhs 80,253. Next, same number if we want to write in international number system. There are also 4 periods but something different. Ones is same, but in thousand, this here at thousands place, 10,000s place and 100,000s place. Then is millions period, not lakhs. Millions, here there are million, 10 million and 100 million. And next is billions place, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay, so same number if we want to write according to the international number system, from the rightmost digit we have to write 3, then 5, then 2, then 0, then 8, then 7 and 5. So, if we tell it in words, it will be 5,780,253. Now, face value of 8. Face value of 8 in this number is the face value of any number is that digit itself. So, here face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 5 in this number is 5. That the same digit will be the face value. But place value is something different. Like place value of 8 in this number is, you write the number, the digit 8 and then how many digits? After 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 you have to put. Similar way, 5, place value of 5. See here 1, 5 and 2, 5. So, for this place, it is tens place. So, 50, 5 into 1, 0. After 5, 1 digit. So, 1, 0. And for this, it is write this number or this digit 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Let us do some exercise questions. First, we have to solve this question number starting from 2. We are coming here afterwards. Write the following numbers in words in Indian and international number system. So, first number is 594868. So, when we have to write it in Indian number system, write that pattern, that period, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. From the right side, you put the digit. I have put in this way from right to left. And here, after putting the digit, we are getting that this is 5,94,868. After each period, you have to put the comma. So, after thousands, put comma. After lakh period, put a comma. Okay. So, this is in Indian number system. And when we have to write it in international number system, what it will be? It will be very easy. It is just write the or put the digits 868495 and that international pattern, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000 and 100,000. Okay, 100,000. So here it is 594,000, 594,868. 868. Next is question number D, that is 4712094474. Same thing, write the pattern ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore in Indian number system. So after putting the digit from the right to left, we are getting it is 47 crore, 12 lakh, 9,474. And in international number system, ones, tens, 100,000, then 10,000 and 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. So it is 471,209,474. Next, write the following number in expanded form. This is question number 3. This is very easy. You have to just write the digit and the places. How many digits are here? After 2 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Plus 8 into, write 1. After 8, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is 4. Write the digit and write 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to the same way you have to write this number. So what it will be? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3. Next is 0. You multiply 0 with any number, it will remain 0. So next you write plus 6, 0 plus 1. So this is the expanded form. Okay. Now you go through question number 1. These questions you will be able to understand this what I have written here. Now if you have doubt in understanding these things, we have to solve it in our live class. Thank you, class.